My name is Mariah and I create lifestyle content, fashion, beauty, travel, until traveling gets back to normal, and bridal. Over a year ago I got married, and so I'm not a bride-to-be anymore, but a lot of my friends are still getting married, so bridal celebrations are still part of my lifestyle. That is actually the topic of this video, Cricut DIY bridal. So now let's just get right into it. Personalizing items adds something so special to it, and I think that's why as consumers we're willing to spend a bit extra. I think actually when I was looking, it ended up being like 10 to 25% more expensive just because it had personalization on it. When I was choosing my bridesmaids, I don't know if you guys heard of this, but there's like bridesmaids proposal boxes where you like ask your bridesmaid to be your bridesmaid. I actually have a video on it if you guys want to check it out, but I created boxes for my bridesmaids and I kind of went all out because I was like, they're gonna be flying all the way to South Africa for my wedding, so I wanted to do something really special for them, so I didn't mind spending the extra 10 to 20%, but looking back on it, I wish I had a Cricut. My mom and my sister actually got a Cricut shortly after. My mom and her best friend got together and they made a majority of my bridal shower decor. It was so cute, it adds such a special touch. I collect teacups from around the world in my travels, so they made a little teapot and teacup theme. So they made this with the Cricut. The Cricut cut out the paper and then this bit that will like crease the paper so you know where to fold. It blows my mind the things you can do with this. Why I wanted to show you guys some of these examples is because it blows my mind how many materials Cricut can cut. It can do cardstock, vinyl, cork, denim, glitter paper, bonded fabric, adhesive foil, the list goes on. This is such a great investment. It's incredible. I feel like before I get too carried away, I should tell you a little bit more about the Cricut Explore Air 2.
Explore Air 2 is known for its smart cutting technology and chic design. It can cut through hundreds of materials with precision. It can draw and write calligraphy and has a creasing stylist that makes folding easy.
What made me finally be like, Mariah, you need to get your own Cricut is when I started getting invited to all these baby shower, gender reveal parties, engagement parties, bridal showers, being invited to be a bridesmaid in some of my best friends' weddings. It made me realize my friends are going through such awesome milestones in their life and I want to add to that excitement, and I really think personalizing items or like creating gifts that are so from the heart just adds to the excitement of all these cool celebrations. My first little DIY project with my Cricut is for my friend's bachelorette party. We're going to the beach, so I thought it would be cute to customize a towel for her. Our bridesmaids dresses are blue, so I thought it would be cute to incorporate the blue with the white. And it says something blue before you say I do, and I did this with the permanent iron-on. And then I also made this coffee mug, so it's like an insulated mug with cute little glitters inside. We cheered together, so everything glitter is a must. Married name, and with their wedding date on the back. Made that with permanent vinyl. They have normal vinyl and permanent. The permanent obviously stays on through washing it and stuff. Oh, and I'm really excited because I ordered a fanny pack, a bucket hat, a duffel bag, and a bikini that just hasn't arrived yet, but I have it all designed up, ready to make, so maybe by the end of this video I'll have it like toward the end to show you guys how it turned out. But there's so much you can do, which brings me to the design space. So Cricut has this design space which is available on your mobile device and on your desktop, and it has a bunch of fonts and different designs that you can use for your projects. It also allows you to upload your own artwork, which is what I did, and then you just size it, print it out. It's so seamless. Something that I've learned since using the Cricut is the more you use it, the more you realize how much more you can use it. For example, the other day I was traveling back from South Africa and my luggage tag broke, and I was like, my Cricut cuts leather. I can literally make my own luggage tag. This is so cool. So it's in those like everyday situations you spark new ideas of how to use the Cricut. Mariah from the future here. A couple days after filming, I got more of my goodies in. Alright, so the first thing is the bum bag, also known as the fanny pack. It says Bride on the front and Miss Slash, which is her new married name, on the top. And a lot of people like to wear it like this, but I think it looks better like this. Fashion tip, take it or leave it. Then I did a bikini because, like I said, we're going on a beach bachelorette party. So it says Bride on the front of the bikini top here. And then on the back, which I didn't realize how tiny these bikini bottoms were, but on the back it says her last name as well, which I thought was cute, especially if you make like a little veil clip on the top. I think it'd be fun. And then I made a bucket hat. I love wearing bucket hats now on vacation. So this one says wife of the party. I thought that was a cute little play on the words of life of the party. And then I made this wifey tote bag, and it says established in 2021. And then on the back it says happily at latch. That's their hashtag, happily at latch tour, where the proposal was, their bachelorette party will be, and where the wedding will be. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you again so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. It really means a lot. If you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Write them down below. I'm really good about answering comments. And you can also send me a DM on Instagram. I'm really good about answering my DMs as well. Anywho, I think my next DIY project is going to be labeling everything in my kitchen cabinet. I am that person. Anyway, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day.